You know I love wild mint, and when I go on my travels in my motorhome, I've often rushed back to do my skincare because I really miss doing it. And I just didn't feel like I wanted to mess about decanting things, putting them in little travel packs, because to me, part of the experience is getting the beautiful bottles and packages out and using them straight from those. So what I did was I ordered myself a little travel pack, and it's absolutely amazing, and I wanted to share it with you because I was so thrilled to receive it. I did pay for this with my own money because I just love the product so much. So it comes in this beautiful canvas bag, absolutely adorable. I just love all the packaging and everything that they do. So it comes in this little zip pack, perfect for travel. It's so lightweight, and in it blew my mind. Look, so have a look in here. Look how beautifully they are all packed together, and all this little insert is all padded so they don't rattle and break, because obviously you still got all the glass containers and everything. So first up, we've got the citrus cleanse. I was so happy to use this morning. It's got a little twisty cap so it doesn't leak. Absolutely gorgeous. So a bit of a cleanse with that, and then a quick splash, leaving some of the moisture on. Then I went in with the beautiful citrus splash, and that's the toner to close your pores down. And again, it's in its little padded pocket there. Then I used my Marula Magic. This is the 5-step program, everyone, and this is a beautiful oil. My favorite product is in here in a gorgeous little tin, and that is the Youth Boost. Absolutely. Let me show you this actually. Look at that. Wow, just so creamy. And then the last piece is the moisturizer in another little tin, and it's a Smooth Boost moisturizer. So what I will do, because I bought another set, a big 5-step program set, what I will do is I'll definitely replenish this with my full size set when this is done, because I'm loving the way they all pack together. It is so handy, honestly. If I'm going on holiday, I will definitely take this. Everything's beautiful quality, of course it is, but I just love all this, and I've been wanting to share it for a while, but this is the first time I've come away and I've brought it with me, and it is super duper. And honestly, it's such a great base for your makeup. I just love the feeling of this WildMint, and my skin has never been better. It feels nice, it looks nice. As I say, it's a great base for your makeup, and it's just a feel-good factor. Everything smells so adorable, just feels so luxury on your skin. I wish I discovered this a long time ago, and that's no word of a lie. It's no advert. I just thought, if you're interested, there you have it. There's always an offer in WildMint as well, whether it's free postage or a free product, but keep an eye out, because do try it. And this actually is a good way of trying it if you want to get a little travel set. I think once you do, you'll be hooked like me. I've used so many skincare products over the period. I've done cheaper, I've done more expensive. You know, they're just a luxury, aren't they? And you do have to use everything that's to work together to get the results. And I think I look nice. I don't know about you, but I can feel it myself, and I know my skin has never been smoother and softer, less bumpy, and I think for 65 I'm okay. Anyway, see you soon. Take care. Bye.